My name is Sangita Dubey and I work as a project manager at HID, which is a design and engineering firm. I joined UWS back in 2021 and I was pursuing MSc in project management, and I completed my course in 2022. So that is when I graduated. The transition was very challenging and very interesting. Reason being because I started my career as an intern in my current company, HID, which was a 1 year of internship. But looking at my performance and what I did, my seniors decided to promote me within 6 months of time, and I was given the full-time position in my company. At UWS, when I joined here in London campus, we had students from all over the globe, coming from different backgrounds and different understanding of work culture as well. Because we had projects and all where we were working in groups, so that helped us to basically communicate and understand the issues, if there is something, how we can tackle it from different aspects, and basically also understand the challenges. This is currently what I'm also doing at my current workplace, because not every person is the same, and I'm currently working with different people. So what we did here in the UWS is now helping me what I'm doing in my current work field. I would like to let everyone know, please always believe in yourself and also never stop learning. It's because learning is something that will always help you in every aspect of your life, be it anywhere what you're doing. If not your career, maybe in your day-to-day life. Learning is something that one should never stop. Please keep on learning always. You will never know where it will help you, and it is also always going to show you the correct path and lead you to success always.